Are we? I love the woods. And why are we thinking about the nature trail, aren't we? I think, since this thing has been here, that the nature trail has been, like, one of my most favorite prized possessions. I love this place, like, so much. That's why I decided to go take you guys on a little walk for my channel. I know this is going to be weird. Probably not going to get many views off this. But let's check the map real quick. Oh my god. I'm not alone, but I cannot show you any of my friends since I'm out here. I kind of lost. I'm tired of this. So Miss Keeter told me to go on this alone, so no one gets caught in my shots. As respected YouTuber, I'm fine with that, because I have no friends. But, nevertheless, it's good. Oh, wait, what's that? Okay, that's the bridge, that's the bridge. Good thinking. Nature Trail has a bunch of good stuff. And it's also near my school, too. I've actually done this in a video, being in the woods once. Oh, okay, the bridge is down there. Okay, it's very steady, so I got, Oh. Okay, I get past this bridge, but it's good to show you that the nature trail is the most comfortable place to be. Okay, so really, the bridge is the most nicest thing out of here. But there's also nice huts building in the nature trail. You see this nice dam? Nice water. Yeah, that's the dam right there. It's holding most of the water up. I think this is a pretty good area. But as you can see a tiny little hut up there. I'm going to show you guys that. So it's best to get on with this slightly. You can see clearly here. It's a nice little house right here. Can't show you guys that. But in here, it's a nice little area. Turn on my flashlight. This is damp wood too, so it's gonna hand up like really perfectly for the building shelter. I don't see my friends aren't in sight right now, so that's fine. But it's time to show you more of the houses that we're going against so far. Wouldn't that be nice? And this is a snake barrow. There's a class up there, and I can't be seen by them while I'm doing this. Okay, so right here is one of the most high-tech houses that I've been built so far. This is steady wood, someone tries to knock it down. I mean, that's actually pretty good for me. But nice and steady wood. I don't see how you get in it. Oh, that's how you get in it. So this is like the place right here. Built-in area right here, built-in burrow. Little owl's nest right here, if you want to call it that. Yeah, I think this is pretty good so far. As you can see, there are many huts to go by. But this is by far, okay. It's my favorite hut right now. This is like my favorite so far. Nice, steady trees, even though they shake a little. That looks like a barricade, but it's not. It's a house for a barricade. I think we're going too deep. But we're not going deep enough. This right here, is like the most steadiest barricade that you will ever see. This one only shakes. The rest barely shake at all. That's how good it is. But then right freaking here, it's the most steadiest, most beautiful place right here. Oh, I didn't mean to take that. So I'm gonna, how do I get in here? Oh, so right here is the most, is the barrier, the pillar right here. Or the beacon, whatever you want to call it. This is not what we built, but it's getting close to it. I hope we build one once. We haven't started the building soon, but we've only built a tiny bit. That's a lie. I don't know. As you can clearly see, the nature trail is one of the most, the most